the theory with just single-phase operators turned on. And this is, in fact, just by the usual definition. That integral d sigma e to d minus 1 over 4g integral. And then the usual t for j plus sigma. Just the generating functional for the single phase correlators. Okay. Now, we can now do the sigma integral. In the margin, we can now do the sigma integral just by saddle point. We can just find its saddle point. And actually, what the function is, this probably is the right answer beyond margin, but let's keep things simple. So let's evaluate the saddle point, and the saddle point is at 1 over 2g sigma. The saddle point is at 1 over 2g sigma equals partial z, partial sigma, which this is just the
今日はこっちはね1箇所なんですけど、向こうはほら3箇所行きますからね、このスキー場。じゃあお願いします。俺のゲリもこっちから出れるんだけど。邪魔だな。
some cases, if you insist that your starting point preserves supersymmetry, then you don't worry about this. But from kind of a congestionary point of view, you have some UD theory, and you get the more, you get your most general Lagrangian consistent with the symmetries, which will usually contain